Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a quick little small haul from Tractor Supply, kind of related to the previous video of me picking up auto parts from Eric West, Toyland Auto. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I pick these boxes up not often, but I always grab one of these boxes. I picked this up from Tractor Supply. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So I picked up a couple tow items, and I've only ever found these at Tractor Supply, which is a 4-flat mounting bracket, which is the closest thing I could find to actually the same bracket that came on Toyota 4Runners 3rd gens from 1996 to 2000, which this is what the bracket looks like. They're not easy to find, but you know, I can't find the Toyota ones, but these are dang near the exact same dimensions. The bolt holes actually line up in the same spot. I don't even need to use these self-tapping screws. I can just install the original bolts, which is nice. Picked two of these up. They're like $7.99 a piece, not too bad. And then I usually buy, there's both of them. They have different packaging, but they're the same. I usually buy these for the backs of 4Runners. I actually have this one, which I just purchased, which is the DeWalt version. And I have the skid plates and stuff right there. And then I also have this one right here, which is actually what I brought in from another vehicle, and this is the Stanley Fat Max version, exact same box, 28 inches. The Stanley Fat Max version says made in the USA, Global Materials. The DeWalt version says the same thing because it's the same box pretty much. This used to be in the 2000, and then I switched to a little bit smaller box in the 2000 SR5, which is Sky, that got wrecked. I picked up another box, not necessarily because I couldn't use this one, but or I didn't want to use this one, but because this one actually has some of the parts off Sky that got wrecked, like the caliper. I cleaned the caliper up, and got all the grease and everything off of it. Made, you know, it's now bright red again, and this has a lot of lots of parts that are off Sky when it comes to like in pieces that were in the vehicle that broke or physically came loose from the vehicle when I flipped. So this box, I just didn't want to empty everything when it was convenient. It has everything in it. It's got my like instruction manuals and everything that came with the truck, and stuff that I felt was not to be thrown away. This one I picked up. To me, it didn't matter. It was 44 bucks for this guy. Lowe's has this exact same box in Craftsman now in the red. You can get this box from a brand called Curter or Curter, something like that. Walmart used to sell Cooter or something like that. I don't remember the name of the box, but you used to be able to get it in that brand too. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing it wrong. I've never bought any of their boxes, to be honest. But it's a great box. I usually don't keep the tray in it, because what I use these boxes for mainly is towing stuff. I'll throw an extra ball in here, you know, a couple different size balls in here. I will throw tow straps. I will throw stuff for winches, stuff like that in here, and I leave it in the back of the cargo bay. I also throw extra stuff like first aid kits, emergency stop stuff, you know, if I'm on the side of the road helping somebody, you know, triangles, reflective stuff for while you're on the side of the road. All kinds of stuff in here. I throw a couple of small little tools in here, like filter wrench and a few other things. That way, if I need to change an oil filter on the side of the road, or I need to do an oil change, I can. I usually also keep a couple small ratchets in here. But these boxes are great for cargo bay. They're good for when you're using them for, you know, towing equipment, straps, tow ropes, you know, chains. I do usually put a set in here of chains, not tire chains, but tow chains. I like using these for just, you know, easy, simple tasks. Sometimes I'll leave the cover in, sometimes I don't, depending on if I am trying to save space or I want to put lots of things in here. I've never had any issues with these boxes. Never had water get into them. The oldest one I have is a Stanley. It's not a Stanley Fat Max. It's actually just Stanley, and that one is in the. That one is actually in Rose, you know, they're just amazing boxes for what they are. Great price. They do fit pretty well in the back of the cargo bay. Yeah, they take up space, but not a huge haul. I got 2 flat mounting brackets. I have 1 mounting bracket already. I picked up 2 more. I only needed 2. You know, the one I had plus the one I bought. One of the ones I bought would have been fine. But I like keeping 1 spare. It's always nice to keep 1 that's spare. These are made by Hopkins Towing Solutions. I've never found these at Walmart or anywhere else. These brackets I've only ever found at Tractor Supply. These boxes you can get at Home Depot. Home Depot sells the DeWalt and the Stanley and a couple others. Lowe's makes the Craftsman version, which is now just black and red, which maybe I'll pick that one up. Use it and give it a try. The Stanley one has never let me down. The Stanley Fat Max one has held up for a very long time. I think the Stanley one I bought 10 plus years ago. I've had it for a very long time. Just a quick video, guys. Do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. Hope the video was helpful. And you know, maybe it helps you out if you've been wanting to pick one of these boxes up. I think the Stanley one I bought, the original just Stanley version, was like 25 bucks back in the day, and then the Stanley Fat Max one was like $30 with tax. I think it came out to 32 bucks. This one was 44. It didn't matter to me. I was going to use it. It was going to get thrown at a truck. And I have in the next few days we'll be doing a couple quick videos for you guys on the 97 Beast that this is going into, because I did put the seat covers, both sets of seat covers in, and a bunch of other stuff. I picked these up from Eric West for $50 a set, which is amazing, plus a bunch of other stuff. I picked up a shifter assembly, some trim, fan clutch, fan shroud, a lot of stuff I picked up, 200 bucks. I'm also getting 2 Toyota genuine tow hitches, the wiring, the tow box, the actual Toyota original controller box, boxes, and then 2 mirrors for 160 bucks. Hopefully tomorrow. You know, and this is correlated with the tow hitches, because I want to make sure that these guys get replaced. 1 tow hitch is for Rose, which is extremely rusted. The other tow hitch is for Beast. His isn't rusted. It's just it's not original. It's actually like a U-Haul hitch. I want to put the original hitch back on it. But it's just a quick video, guys. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Beast does need a transmission flush. It actually is on the verge of not burnt, but it's dark. It's light brown when you put it, when it falls on a rag or you wipe the dipstick off. Oil is fine. Looks like I need to get a replacement starter. The starter is shuddering. Basically, when you crank, it's bouncing the index in and out, and it's just causing an issue with the truck trying to start. As well as I will be updating you guys on whether I need to soak the pistons or anything because it's been sitting for 11 months. I'll give you guys updates down the road. Appreciate you guys watching as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next episode. Peace!